What's up mga papi? Question. So what's the difference between a person running for a month and a person running for a year? So the difference is the heart rate. Yung heart rate ng baguhang runner shoots up quickly even at an easy pace kasi the body isn't efficient yet at delivering oxygen. They often run zone 3 and 4 without meaning to. But for a runner training consistently for a year, the heart adapts, resting, heart rate drops, and they can run faster while staying in zone 2. For beginner runners, ang usual na resting heart rate is 65 to 80 beats per minute, sometimes even higher if they are deconditioned or stressed out. Doon naman sa mga runner that is consistently training for 1 year, ang resting heart rate nila is usually 50 to 65 beats per minute. And then even the well-trained endurance runner can go down to 40 to 50 BPM. This is because their heart pumps more efficiently. So if you can run zone 2 agad-agad, don't panic. Ox lang yan. Kailangan lang magtuloy-tuloy ang training mo. And soon enough, you'll get there. Yun lang. Happy Sunday. It's a brand new week. Run, run, run. Orcovia. Hee